Heroes Tour London. I'm so excited! Here are some of the Harry Potter wands. They're giant. This one's Harry Potter's. This is Lord Voldemort's wand. He is very, very dangerous. Arms inside the entrance area. Look at that huge dragon. These are the handprints of the main characters and I'm in Daniel Radcliffe's. This is the food hall. We're going to be coming back here later. These are the stairs from the original set. These are the original costumes of the Quidditch games. We are in the Great Hall. This is the start of the tour.
Gryffindor has just won their House Cup. So let's remind ourselves of this scene.
This is the boys' dormitory and this is Harry Potter's bed. This is the ring common room. It's a bit more detailed than Gryffindor's. This is Dumbledore's office. Look at all these potions he has. This is the potions classroom. I've got it in Lego. This is Hagrid's hut. It looks very untidy. The night bus actually moves. That's so cool.
Yes, everybody, that's right. And from there, you're going to switch your arm forward, and you're going to make the switch noise as well. That does genuinely add extra magical power. You're going to switch. Amazing. This is going to be great. This is going to be perfect. Big, big circle. Gather all the energy you can. Join in at the top, and then fire it. Ready? Go! Fire! Fire! I hold that one. We're so close. I can see it. Feel the energy. Wow!
This is the Hogwarts Express. I don't think my train passes work on this one. This is the Butterbeer bar. I'm going to go and get some Butterbeer. This is the Butterbeer and I'm going to give it some rating. That's very good. After a few sips, I still really like it. I'm halfway through, it's getting a bit sickly, so I'm going to take a break from it. We're on the Hogwarts Bridge, it's a bit wonky. Whoa. Here, I'm sat in the Ford Anglia. Ron Weasley drives it in the second movie. These are the mandrakes. They are very noisy. We're standing outside Privet Drive. Let's go and have a look. This is one of my favourite scenes. Look at all these letters. This is Harry Potter's second room. It's Dudley's old room, and Dobby's in it. This is a scene from the Goblet of Fire, and that model is of a monster that lived in the lake when Harry tried to rescue people from the bottom of the lake. Here we are in Gringotts Bank. It's huge. This is the Sword of Gryffindor and I'm in one of the vaults. There's something there. If you have a younger child, you may want to cover their eyes or tell them to shut their eyes right now. This is Diagon Alley. It's packed with shops. This is the model of Hogwarts Castle. It looks huge, but imagine it in real life. It would be enormous. I just exited the tour and the end of the shop. I got a wand. It looked very nice, and the tour was amazing.